Okay, so I got all the keys off one of these pieces. Get this out of the way. And I left one key on so I can show you how I got them all off. I think this is the easiest way that I found to do it. Excuse me. Try not to get your beard tangled up in your tools. That's never a good thing. There we go. Get this. So what I'm doing here, I hope that was in frame. Well, I'll snap it back in place. Yeah. Oops. So I'm just using a little mini screwdriver and something that is thin enough one way to go underneath the back of the key and the frame, and I'm just going to pry it upwards once I move that little tab out of the way. So now the tab's out of the way, the key is up a little bit. I'm going to move this back towards the edge of the table and just pry this open a little more. There we go. And now, it just pops right off. So, that's how I got all the keys off. This bar does come out. I haven't actually taken it all the way out yet, but if you push it, you can see it pop out this end. So you could probably grab yourself a vice grip and just pull on this end. It's kind of slippery right now because it's got that disgusting lubrication stuff all over it. So anyways, these little pads come off. These funny little feet things. I could play with these for like hours because they're so fun to mess with. Anyways, one of the little feet on here is longer than the other by just a hair. I'm assuming that what happens here is one of these little feet hits one of these. I don't know if it's a magnet or if it's just a pad of some sort. I don't know what it is. Hey, I've got this stuff on me. So I don't know if it's a magnet or a little pad. I'm gonna see right now if it's magnetic. There. Yeah, I don't think it's a magnet. I don't know what these little things are either. At first I was thinking they might be like pressure sensitive things. I don't know. I have no idea what those things are. I haven't taken this board off yet to look at the underside, because I haven't bothered to try to pull this rod out. Actually, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Because I've got like 3 other sections that are just like this. Hold on a moment. So hopefully this works, because this little thing has lubrication on it. There we go. Okay. Now that's out. I don't think I'm going to bother trying to put these things back in because that's going to be a bit of a pain in the butt. And I'm also going to want a paper towel to put these on. Excuse me. Okay. Fortunately, the black, these correspond with the black keys. Let's get this in frame. These correspond with the black keys, and these correspond with the white keys. And just like on this thing, the black keys are indicated by the yellow. I don't know what these things are. Connectors? I don't know. So yellow and I guess that kind of has a yellow tint to it. So yellow goes with black keys, silver and pink goes with white keys. So I'm going to take all these out now. He's got a bunch of lubrication crap on him, and so does this. Goodness. Okay, I'm gonna have to clean off my desk. Moving on. So I got those out of the way. This is mostly for anyone who knows anything about electronics, which I really don't. So, here we go. Excuse me. Okay. Hope there's not a capacitor on the other side of this. Oh. Alright. It's not nearly as exciting as I had hoped it would be. So that's, yeah, that's very anticlimactic. I'd hoped the other side was going to have a little more complicated stuff on it. But since it doesn't, I guess that means that this is about as complicated as it gets. For one of the sections that doesn't have the female ports on this side that attaches this to the center console. So, and all the resistors look like they're the same. Same value. So as far as this goes, it looks like we'll just need to figure out what these things are, because I have no idea. I'll bring this to class on Tuesday and have someone look at it. Yeah, I've got no clue what those things are. But if anyone knows about how to actually make a circuit board, I don't think this is going to be terribly difficult. That said, according to Murphy's Law, when something can go wrong, it will. So now that I've said that, we're probably going to have a whole bunch of trouble with this. But moving on. Yes, that's the circuit board. I'll